Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. If y'all are new here, my name is Caroline and you should totally subscribe and join the man fam. Happy Vlogmas Day 5. Today's gonna be a really good day. I am so excited. As you can see, I was struggling getting that tree from my garage into the house, but now that I live alone, I realized that I'm gonna be setting up Christmas alone, which is kind of sad to think about, but also I pretty much set up Christmas when I lived at home anyways. My parents asked me to do it and I love doing it, so nothing's really new. The only difference is I've got my own space now, and this is the first Christmas in this house, and I can't wait. I'm literally so excited. So first things first, these are all of the decorations that I got yesterday. Some of them I brought from Texas, and then I've also kind of been doing a little bit of Christmas shopping before December actually started. I couldn't decorate before Christmas, so I had to do some shopping. So this is a pile of everything that I got, and first thing I need to do is take down every single fall decor piece in my house. There's 3 levels in my house, which means this might take a while. Before we put anything Christmas, we have to take out the old. So I've got these orange bins right here, and we are going to go through the house and put some stuff down. Now it's time to set up the Christmas tree. I got this tree off of Amazon. It's 7 feet tall. I'm not even that tall. I'm literally so tiny. Definitely gonna need a step stool to put this up. I feel like this shouldn't be too hard. Let's do it. So I was struggling to figure out where I wanted to put my Christmas tree because ideally, I think it would look best in this corner right here. But I also have these like shelves and I don't really want to block those. My boyfriend's mom, she's like the Christmas expert, home designer expert, and she said that it would look really cute right here. And I had my blanket basket there for a while, but I can always just, I'm gonna move that. Tree stand right here. I got this super cute tree skirt at Hobby Lobby, and we're gonna put this down first before we put anything on the tree. Okay, so this tree did not come pre-lit, which means that I'm gonna have to light this thing. Don't know how I feel about that, but yeah, I've never done this before. Every tree that I've had at my house in Texas was pre-lit. Let's freaking do this. There's white colors and there's also a multicolor option. What do we think? Now that the tree is lit, I am going to hang up the ornaments. This is probably my favorite part about Christmas. I just don't know what it is, but ornaments just make Christmas 10 times better. So yeah, my theme for ornaments this year is red, white, kind of candy cane striped, and then I've got 3 or 4 wooden ones that I got the other day when I went Christmas shopping.
I said I wasn't happy being single this time. I know when I'm home, I'll have no one to show. I'll single.
So the Christmas tree looks like this currently. Probably gonna need to go back in, refluff, and move around ornaments. But I have 3 more decorations that are gonna be going in the tree. First, we've got these sensicles, which are scented ornaments. I freaking love these. They smell like a Christmas tree. And because this is fake from Amazon, oh my gosh, this smells amazing. I need like the actual scent. So I've got the sensicles. These are in the scent White Winter Fur. And then I've got 6 of these little fillers. And if you've never heard of a Christmas filler, basically you take one of these guys and you put them in, and it like basically fills in the gaps in your trees with cute little decor. So I got these ones with little orange slices and cranberries. I think these are cranberries, red berries, I don't even know. And then I've got those wooden ornaments that I was talking about earlier.
'Cause who needs a tradition? Movie marathon for one is always much more fun. Bottle of my gifts so I get just what I want. I'll sing all the season. 'Cause who needs a tradition? Turkey, empty grand for one. I'ma have my fun. All these things.
Even though it's a pain in the butt to hook these through ornaments and things like that, they do kind of make life easier. Look at how cute these little wooden ornaments are. Because I only have 3, I'm probably gonna go back to the store and get more. These have to be featured somewhere, so we're gonna put these where people can see them. Christmas tree is done for now. It's not like completely done because I still want to get some more ornaments and probably some more fillers. I'm going to decorate the rest of the house. So like I mentioned earlier, there's 3 floors here. The middle floor, which is my master bedroom, I'm gonna decorate tomorrow because I'm gonna be way too tired. I've got a whole like vision that I want. I just have to wash the sheets, comforter, all that stuff. So we're gonna decorate the top floor right now, and we're gonna decorate the bottom floor where the guest bedroom is and my piano and office. I'm so happy right now. Christmas is my favorite time of the whole year. Well, maybe besides fall, I don't know. Look at all these decorations. We've got a lot to do. So I got these little garland things from Michael's, and they're little stockings. How freaking cute are these? And because I have 3 different little stairway things, I'm thinking of putting 2 on this top one because it's the longest, and then for the other 2 floors there will be just 1 of these little stockings because I ended up getting 4 in total. So we are going to tie this one. I'm so happy, you guys. I freaking love Christmas. Oh my gosh, this is so cute. This is what it looks like right now. I can't decide if I want the socks facing the outside or the inside. Probably the outside. So during fall, I had this cute little wreath up there with like a little basket and pumpkins, but I'm thinking for up there, I kind of want to do like a similar idea, except for obviously no wreath, but decor up there. I've got this little sign. It says Christmas Blend Hot Cocoa. I think I want to put it up there because it makes sense. This is where I make my coffee. It's kind of like my coffee little bar.
Alone it's Christmas, but I won't wait till next year to try and feel the distance we've had with decorations in my bag. He's taking it slow, won't work on time. Song is so long for Christmas lights. It can't be a song you sing sometimes. I need you to sing it for your whole life. So let me be your family this Christmas. Let this be the season that you've been waiting for. Let me be your family this Christmas. Give to you myself this year, I promise I'm yours. This year you've left me wondering just how you're feeling, and I want you to
Just ran some errands really quick. Right now it's 6:49 p.m. It's literally pitch black outside. And I want to show y'all what I got. I went to Bed Bath & Beyond and I got 8 placemats. These are like holiday ones because currently I have my little Thanksgiving ones out. So I'm gonna put those away and then place these ones on there. I cannot wait. And then I also got a star for the tree. Cannot wait to put this on. I think I'm gonna put it on right now, but it also lights up, which is really cool. Definitely gonna have to stand on a step stool though because I'm way too short to put this up.
I wanna make you feel something familiar. I celebrate you. God did
Look at how cute it is. I am so obsessed. Oh wait, crap, it's literally backwards.
Holiday. So let me be your family. This Christmas be your family. Let this be the season that you've been waiting for. Let me be your family. This Christmas be yours. Give to you myself this year. I promise I'm yours.
Much better.
Crackling wood all season, decorating alone this Christmas once again, making amends and tying loose ends.